What's up, guys? We're here at the Boxo booth at SEMA. There's some toolboxes, tool storage. They even make hand tools. I've not heard about them, but we got Trent here.
Yep.
Maybe he could give you guys a little bit of rundown.
Yeah, definitely. So Boxo USA, everything that we got is going to be tool-wise in these EVA foam tool sets. So one of the nicest things about our tools is being able to pick from foam sets. You have options, able to mix and match, and then we also have sets that are going to be in individual pieces. So it's kind of like a puzzle piece. You get to all build it out to what you're working on. Lifetime warranty on all the tools. Something breaks, like this 1/4-inch ratchet, just snap a picture, email it to us, and then we send you the replacement. But one of the great things about Boxo, obviously we're big on the organization, is we do a whole lot of other things just outside of toolboxes, whether they're loaded, empty, just tools and foam. But then we have, you know, our built-in garage line right here. So you're looking at something that's about 13 feet long. This retails for about $7,500 empty. And then application-specific kits. We have some rolls for UTVs, bags for trail vehicles. This box right here is actually a new kit that we're going to be bringing out for street bikes. So we just like to try and be the easy button. We want to do all the hard work for you, so that way all you have to do is, you know, grab your box, grab your roll, whatever it is. You can pick up and go to the track. You can just open the drawer. You know where your tools are, where they go at the end of the day.
I didn't even realize this one had drawers on the side.
Oh yeah. So this one's gonna be a workstation. So like normal toolbox, right? You roll it up against the wall.
Yeah.
This we have a full 360. So I mean, we've been sort of operating out of the back, so excuse the mess, but you got your shelves right here. So it's great in like a bay situation in a garage, or if you just have the space to wheel it out. But I mean, we got everything from little 26-inch boxes, tops and bottoms, service cards to 72s, and the fully built out garage line with OSM. So
Are all the boxes you guys sell pretty much customizable when it comes to colors and stuff like that?
yeah,
or?
So the biggest thing with us is all of our boxes in our Pro Series line are going to come from a black or a white foundation. And then from there, it's really nice because we have these handles that snap off, and we're able to do custom powder coating on them. So we have colors that are in stock, like your normal, your reds, blues, oranges, but like this one, our customer really wanted to match this toxic green color that he has on his car. So we went, when he did that, just adds the other, you know, extra personal touch to
that's cool.
really make it yours.
I like too because you have the handle where you grab it anywhere to unlock it. It's not like the Harbor Freight ones, you know, they just have the trigger on the side.
Yeah, so ours is gonna be that full length. So, you know, if you're putting these in trailer, you can't open it unless you hit that. So it doesn't matter if it's here, there, or here. You can pull it all out, and at the end of the day, you do have your combination lock. So you're able to shut it, set your combo. Anyone's gonna stay out of it. If you have a buddy that you trust and you're willing to share your tools, you can go in, put in the combo, but you know, in case you forget the combo, there is a key option as well. So
okay,
just a whole lot of options.
I think we can talk about the service card, because I got a lot of guys right now asking me what kind of service card for working at the dealership. I've been referring them to the Harbor Freight just because they're pretty cheap, but you told me this one's actually a pretty good deal. Yeah,
so this right here is going to be our 35-inch service card. You're going to see 5 drawers. This bottom drawer is about 8.5 inches deep, and then you just have standard depths for these 3. And then this one you're working at about 5.5, 5 inches with the top. So this right here, you're running power. You can see in the back. You have your 4 12 volts, 2 USBs.
That comes stock with it?
Yeah, this just comes as is. So this retails for $9.90, and that's going to be 5 drawers, 35 inches with that flip lid. Lifetime warranty on all of our tools and our boxes as well. So it's just really quick and easy, good features. I mean, what's nice is this is built on a toolbox chassis, so when you order this, it comes as is. You don't need to put in drawers, handles, casters. It's just going to be unwrap, unstrap, and then, you know, load it in with all of your tools.
What's weight capacity on something like this?
So all of these drawers are going to have 100-pound slides. So 100 pounds per each side. Two sliders per drawer is going to give you the 200 pounds. And then this bottom right here, obviously we're looking at 2. So these are that's going to be a 400-pound drawer. Yep. And it's all, you know, grease, stainless steel ball bearings, so slide very easily.
Is that price including shipping, or is it free shipping or freight shipping? How do we do it?
So for this particular model, we actually are offering free shipping on it. This is our limited edition Nardo run, and we actually have, this is going to be our last one. This is number 10 of 10.
Really?
But we do have a variety of options on our website for boxes that are discounted shipping or free shipping. We're always trying to run specials to make sure that we're able to take care of our customers and just offer them deals throughout the year. Because at the end of the day, we want to do whatever we can just to provide great quality at an affordable price.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, if you guys want to check them out, boxo.com, correct?
BoxoUSA.com.
Oh, BoxoUSA.
And then on Instagram, BoxoUSA Direct.
I'll leave that tag down below, guys.
Yes, sir.
If you guys want to check them out, they're based right out of Orange, so it's pretty local to us if you guys are been following me for a while. So hope you guys enjoyed this episode.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hey, no, thank you. Appreciate it.